YouTube channel. My name is Gazmine. Today I'm going to be showing you guys what's inside my bag. So before we get on with this video, please follow me on all my social medias and also click that bell button so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. So let me show you what's inside my bag. Well, let me show you what bag I Okay, so this is a Tory Burch bag, and I got this a couple of years ago for Christmas, and I like it because it's a nice medium size, kind of like medium big. You know, I like big bags because then I stuff a lot of stuff in it. But this time I don't really have a lot of stuff because I just cleaned out my purses, like all my purses. So we're going to start off with the big part. And in that part I have my wallet. This is also by Tory Burch too, and it's like a wallet purse, which I really like a lot. Then I have some spray and some lotion, so that way I can smell good and I can be moisturized, which is really nice. Then I have my headphones, so that way I can watch stuff on the go or tune people out. But I have some cocoa butter, and this is like the stick form, and I think I put this in my bag as like extra moisture just in case like I forget to bring my other mini lotion if I put it in like my backpack or something and I just needed some moisture. I don't know. But it's really nice. That's actually really good if you want to like heal scabs, scars. The cocoa butter. It's really nice. Okay, so I like to bring snacks for like the times where I'm out of the house for a long periodically time. And I'm not near any food or anything like that, so I have Rice Krispie treats because I absolutely love Rice Krispie treats, and I also have some M&Ms that I don't really know where those came from, to be honest. Should probably throw those away. Could be old, who knows, but I have them in my bag. So next thing I have is my tripod, my mini tripod that I got for Christmas, and the reason why I bring this in my bag now is because just in case I go to like a place that I want to like record at that's like really nice and I want to make a video out of, or use it as a background, or use it as like a photo or something like that, then I have something to put my phone on or to put like a camera on just in case I want to bring my Canon 70D, even though that crap is pretty heavy. It's not a piece of crap. I absolutely love this camera, but just in case, you know. So next thing I have is my portable charger. I absolutely love this so much. Keep it in my school bag when I'm not at school. I keep it in my purse when I'm not at home. I have this thing. I don't really know what it's called, but it's used to like connect like anything that has like a headphone jack thing for my iPhone. I don't really know. I just bring it just in case like I need it. Then I have a whole bunch of rubber bands because sometimes when I'm like out, I would like to wrap my hair up because of the weather, or just in case it's like getting like too much. You know how your hair gets too much. It just gets too much, okay. Then I have a little mini tie to go, which is really nice because, to be honest, I am a messy eater. And I do get stains in my shirt sometimes, and this is really nice because all you gotta do is just put it on the stain. You know, well, you gotta shake it first. You gotta shake it a little bit, put it on the stain, and the stain will be gone. Then I have some cough drops in my bag because I was basically sick for like majority of January, which sucks, but I'm much better right now, which I'm so happy because that is the longest I've ever been sick. And these are from Ricola, and I actually really like these cough drops a lot. And then I got some Advil for the people that give me headaches. I got some tissues in here because I was sick for majority of January. And then I have a Band-Aid because just in case, sometimes I would get cuts on my arms or my legs or like somewhere on my body that I don't recognize, or like sometimes I will scratch like a scab or like a bump on me and like it'll start bleeding a lot, so I keep a Band-Aid in my purse just in case like something happens to me or something happens to someone else, you know. Then I have some gum. This is from Triton, and it's the Tropical Twist. It smells really good. So next I have my Cat Compact, and the reason why I have it is because of the mirror, you know. This was originally supposed to be like a foundation, a powder foundation from Tony Moly, but I got it because it's cute, and I just took the compact out, and I think I gave it to someone, or I might have thrown it away, and I just used it as a mirror because it was so cute. And then the next is a pen. Well, this is my selfie pen, and if you guys watched my what I bring to my college class video, aka my backpack video, then you'll see I had this in there. And truth is that I recorded that video like 5 months ago, back when I was actually starting school, starting my fall semester. It just took forever to upload it. And I had this in there, and it was broke, and it's still broke. The button is just still pushed inside, and I haven't really been able to get it out, but I use it for a pen and a stylus too, because I can use it on my phone and on my iPad. And then the last thing I have are my car keys, and I painted my car keys a pink sparkly color. It's nail polish. And the reason why I did that is because, one, to look cute, and two, so it's easier for me to find in my bags. And, you know, my dad and my brother sometimes have to drive my car, and they absolutely hate that I did this to my keys. And also I have like a little bunny. They also hate that too, because they don't want to be seen with pink keys and a pink bunny. So, you know, which makes me even more happy that I did it. So that is all the stuff that I keep in my purse, and I really hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys next time.